Evolutionists claim that the flood of Noah never happened. However, we have produced materials showing that one of the evidences for something is the actual lack of evidence of something. By that, what I mean is this. For example, there is only 4,500 years worth of mud accumulated at the mouth of all the world's great rivers, such as the Mississippi, such as the Amazon, the Congo, and others. Now, if the Earth was old as evolutionists claim, we should find far more mud, but recently we even found a spot out in the Pacific where there was no mud at all. So if the continents had been eroding for supposed millions and millions of years, then we should find thick layers of mud. And for example, we can prove, of course, that North and South America used to connect to Africa and Europe. We know that they separated. Evolutionists will say it was millions and millions of years ago. We as biblical scientific creationists say that it was approximately 4,500 years ago. Now, if the evolutionary story were true, and the continents really did move at only 1, 2, 3 inches per year for millions and millions of years, think of the consequences of this. What is the reasonable prediction of what evolutionists claim? Well, if the continents actually fit together and broke apart as they claim, well, as they were stretching apart here, if it's only a few inches per year, then every year rain would fall on the continents on both sides, mud would wash into the ocean from both sides, and there should be a thick layer of mud going from one continent to the other across, for instance, the Atlantic Ocean. But when we take a look at what's actually there, we find flat sand bottoms on both sides of the Atlantic up against the continents, and only 4,500 years worth of mud at the mouth of the rivers. Now this proves that the separation occurred incredibly fast. Now the Bible says that it occurred in 1 year. I think scientifically that I would agree.